At the same time, I'm proud of today for giving the opportunity to say something in this great meeting. Thanks God that I have secured 90.3 percentile in the last JEE mains exam 2022. And this credit will go to my parents, teachers and all of you. As because without your kind cooperation, need your blessings so that I may carry the same name and fame in my future life.
My name is Sadonan Dega and I am fortunate enough to have scored 533 marks in 2022. All my credit goes to, of course, the Almighty, my parents, my teachers and the whole JC Maxwell team. First of all, I would like to say that the 11th 12th journey is not easy for any one of us. There are always struggles. There will be days when we will all feel down. Nothing seems to go progressive in our life. So I would like to say that you will be unsuccessful. I would say. God has made each one of us. God has selected a path for each one of us to thrive in our own lives. As for your preparation,
My name is Shubham Shah. I have secured All India rank 6,688 in IIT JEE exam 2022. First of all, I want to tell you that I have never encountered such a situation in which I have to give a speech in English, so I would like to give my speech in Assamese if you don't mind, so that you can understand better. Our বরিষ্ঠ ডাইরেক্টর মহোদয় প্রিন্সিপাল স্যার সকলকে আৰু মোৰ ক্ৰেডিট যাব খোজো মোৰ অনুষ্ঠানৰ সফলতাৰ পিছলৈ যাব ক্ৰেডিট দিব খোজো মোৰ অনুষ্ঠানৰ সকলো শিক্ষক শিক্ষয়িত্ৰী ডাইৰেক্টৰ মহোদয় প্ৰিন্সিপাল ছাৰ সিহঁতে মোক সকলো সময়তে মই আজি যিটো এই সময়ত